Welcome to today's video, where we'll be delving into MetaMask, a dynamic software cryptocurrency wallet that's your portal to the Ethereum blockchain. Developed by ConsenSys Software Inc., MetaMask is the ultimate tool for effortless interaction with decentralized applications. MetaMask isn't just a wallet. It's an all-encompassing platform that empowers users to store and manage account keys, broadcast transactions, and receive Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies and tokens. Whether you're using the browser extension or the mobile app, MetaMask offers a secure and user-friendly experience for managing your Ethereum assets. A standout feature of MetaMask is its ability to securely connect with decentralized applications. Websites and other decentralized platforms can integrate with MetaMask through JavaScript code. This integration enables users to receive prompts, signature requests, or transaction requests directly through MetaMask, acting as a secure intermediary. But MetaMask doesn't stop at managing your assets. It also facilitates exchanging Ethereum tokens with ease through its MetaMask Swaps feature. This integrated service aggregates various decentralized exchanges to find the best exchange rates for you. MetaMask Swaps does all the heavy lifting, ensuring you get the most out of your transactions, albeit with a small fee of 0.875% of the transaction amount. As of November 2021, MetaMask boasts an impressive user base with over 21 million monthly active users, according to Bloomberg, underscoring its widespread adoption and popularity within the cryptocurrency community. And there you have it, a snapshot of MetaMask, your gateway to the Ethereum blockchain. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, MetaMask offers a user-friendly and secure way to interact with the world of decentralized finance. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy exploring with MetaMask.